In this video, we are looking at the potential of Ethereum moving back to the top of this range. That would be a very massive move. So we're looking at the weekly time frame of this Ethereum, and from this weekly time frame, you can see that from the late 2023, we got a break into this range. Okay, this range, this is a new range, and since then we've seen price moving to and fro within this range. Then we came to this point, the price broke below this range. Okay, this was the breakout candle below the range. The price continued below it and then found support at this very point and started moving back up. Okay, we saw the price rally back up and reclaimed the broken range bottom. Okay, so this is a key level and price has just broken it with this very huge candle. This very reclaim is a massive bullish signal, okay, because what it means is that this whole move below this range bottom is a fake out, and a fake out in one direction of a pattern or of a range will lead to an extended move to the opposite direction. Okay, some novice traders may have started buying from here, seeing this very bullish move, but that would not be ideal, because once you get a break above a resistance, you should allow the price to retest that level. A retest of that level is what will offer you an opportunity to now go long. So in this case, we are not jumping in, we are waiting for a retest of this range. So here is the daily time frame. So this was the reclaim we talked about on the weekly time frame. Okay, we saw this price reclaim this level at this point, and this was the fake out we talked about. So this was the fake out. All right, we expect that price should retest this very level before any further move. Okay, and if you see on my chart, I've drawn a new ascending channel. Okay, connecting these very highs and these very lows. So we're seeing a new ascending channel. Now when you zoom in this way, you find out that with this candle that reclaimed the first part of this very level, we didn't get any pullback to fill up the imbalances that this massive bullish candle created. All right, so there is imbalance just around here. So as a result, we expect this market to come down to retest this very level and possibly come a little below the level to fill up some of these imbalances. Then from there, we see a bounce back up. Okay, that is how I'm looking at the markets. Price coming down towards this area. Okay, and we take a buy opportunity from there up with our stop loss just below this breakout candle. This was the candle that broke, that's reclaimed this channel. So this is how we're playing the game in this Ethereum. So I hope this offers a great value to you. Thank you for watching, and sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos. Cheers.